everything you need to know about CrossFit. Hi, welcome back to Health Shadow, and we're here to talk about the benefits of CrossFit and if it's safe for you. In this video, we're going to be discussing what CrossFit is and if it's safe for you. If you're still on the fence about whether or not you should try it out, then don't worry, because we'll break down some of the common misconceptions that people might have about the workout. So sit back and relax as we go through everything you need to know before starting a new fitness routine with CrossFit. Before we start, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the tiny bell for updates on our channel. Leave us a comment and a thumbs up too. Now make sure you've got everything ready and you're prepared to tune in as we go deeper about CrossFit. CrossFit facilities, known as boxes, are springing up all over the world as the sport gains popularity. So what exactly is CrossFit, and what are the health advantages and disadvantages? CrossFit is a type of high-intensity power training, or HIIT. A CrossFit workout may consist of dynamic activities such as Olympic, weightlifting, and kettlebells. These are all examples of plyometric leaping as well as explosive body weight motions. Stay tuned with us to find out more about the benefits of CrossFit and whether it's appropriate for you. Let's first hit off with its benefits. CrossFit may improve physical strength. CrossFit's high-intensity multi-joint motions may help you increase muscular strength and stamina. Adding weight to your workouts can help you grow muscle by putting your muscles under stress. You may also keep your muscles challenged by engaging in the workout of the day, which will give your muscles variety. The exercise of the day, or WOD, is the defining feature of the CrossFit program. A fresh set of workouts is uploaded every day. The aim is to do as many repetitions of each exercise as feasible in the allotted time. CrossFit may also help you improve aerobic fitness. High-intensity power training at CrossFit, or HIIT. This form of training may aid in increasing VO2 max, or the greatest quantity of oxygen you can use while exercising. However, research on the short and long-term impacts of CrossFit on physiological changes and aerobic advantages has been inconsistent. More study is needed to determine how CrossFit differs from other kinds of training in terms of improving aerobic fitness. Next is, it could also help you improve your agility, balance, and flexibility. Muscle strengthening exercises assist to preserve daily function and delay the pace of bone and muscle loss associated with aging. These kinds of workouts can also assist to lower your chances of falling. While agility, balance, and coordination are all skill-related components of physical fitness, they do not exist in isolation. Being agile necessitates dynamic balance in order to keep your center of gravity over your base of support and coordination in order to manage your body while attempting to shift direction. Professionals think that increasing your flexibility can help you improve your posture, minimize aches and pains, and lessen your chance of injury. Flexibility might also help you continue with your daily responsibilities. CrossFit workouts frequently involve functional exercises or motions that replicate everyday activities. Squats, kettlebell swings, and overhead lifts are examples of functional motions that can assist increase agility, balance, and flexibility. They can also lower your chance of injury and enhance your quality of life as you become older. Next is burn calories and manage weights. You can check out the linked video on how to manage your calorie intake. A calorie, like a teaspoon or an inch, is a unit of measurement. Calories are units of energy produced by your body when it digests and absorbs food. The higher the calorie count of a food, the more energy it may provide to your body. When you consume more calories than you need, your body stores the extra calories as fat. Even fat-free foods can be high in calories. Excess calories in any form can be stored as fat in the body. CrossFit activities may burn more calories than other types of training. During a CrossFit circuit, a 195-pound guy or 165-pound female will burn 15 to 18 calories per minute and 13 to 15 calories per minute respectively. During the healing time, you may also continue to burn calories. This compares to 11 and 9 calories per minute for typical weightlifting on machines respectively. If you want to lose weight, consider combining a nutritious diet with a CrossFit training plan. Now you know its benefits. let us head on to its safety. The major question here is CrossFit safe? CrossFit is a high-intensity workout. When you raise the intensity of your exercises or the amount of weight you lift, your risk of injury increases. A 4-year study by Kennesaw State University researchers discovered that 30% of CrossFit participants had sustained some form of injury in the preceding 12 months. But they also determined that CrossFit training is very safe compared to more typical training methods. The survey discovered that shoulder, back, knee, elbow, and wrist injuries were the most prevalent. CrossFitters who worked out 3 to 5 days per week were the most likely to have injuries, prompting experts to warn against working out too regularly. If you're new to CrossFit, it's a good idea to work with a certified fitness expert who can ensure you're performing the workout correctly. Injuries might occur as a result of poor technique, attempting to complete exercises too quickly, or lifting more than you can bear. Beginners should start at a slower rate and progressively add weight until their fitness level increases. CrossFit is not for everyone. If you're pregnant and already doing CrossFit, it may be okay to continue, but consult with your doctor first. If you're pregnant and new to CrossFit, you should wait until after the baby is born to begin. CrossFit is also not safe if you're wounded or have other major health issues. Before beginning CrossFit, be sure you have been approved by your doctor or a physical therapist. CrossFit may or may not be safe for you to try if you are over the age of 65 and already physically fit. Before you begin, consult with your doctor. It's important that we are all properly guided before we jump onto different programs for our fitness and lifestyle. That is why we are here. Health Shadow is here to guide and help our viewers weigh all the angles and information they need before starting their journey. So don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. If you want to try CrossFit, seek for an affiliate box in your neighborhood online. Most CrossFit gyms require newcomers to commit to 2 or 3 private or semi-private training sessions. Attendance at these events may cost between $150 and $300. After finishing the training sessions, you can enroll in group CrossFit classes or continue working with a personal trainer. While you may execute the day's workout on your own after you're comfortable with the CrossFit movements, if you're a newbie, you should initially work with a trained expert at a CrossFit box. The instructors may demonstrate each motion and check your form to ensure you're doing it correctly. They may also show you around all of the equipment. CrossFit activities may be adjusted to accommodate novices or individuals who are new to fitness. To begin, you'll need to work with the trainers in your local box. You may wish to work one-on-one with a trainer for a longer period of time until you feel comfortable and your fitness level has increased. If you're new to CrossFit, proceed at your own speed and never lift more weight than you are comfortable with. You may reduce your chance of injury by gradually introducing exercise into your routine. CrossFit is a high-intensity kind of exercise. Always consult your doctor before beginning a new workout program, such as CrossFit, especially if you are new to exercising or have a health issue. Summing up our video for today, here are the takeaways. CrossFit can help you lose weight, gain strength, agility, and flexibility, as well as improve your aerobic fitness. However, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a medical problem or an injury, see your doctor before beginning CrossFit and consider working with an instructor at first rather than depending on internet videos or routines. They can teach you good form, which can lower your chance of injury. CrossFit courses are often designed to foster a sense of camaraderie. As a result, you might prefer CrossFit classes to performing the workouts on your own. It is important to keep everything at your own pace and be safe no matter what program or things you're grinding through. That is why, don't forget to subscribe to Health Shadow. Ring the tiny bell for updates on our posts and healthy tips and tricks that's perfect for you. We are here with you on your journey, so leave us a comment and a thumbs up. That is all for today. We'll see you next time. Stay healthy.